don't want to fix it alone? Call RVFix to get virtual assistance from a master technician today.
Hi, this is Scott at RVFix. Here today we're going to show you how to reset your GoPower Solar Controller if you get a 32 LUE fault code. Typically that's just a dead battery, or it just not recognize a battery. It'll go through a lithium wake up, or we can go into a, we're going to hit our back button and then hold our enter, and then we're going to go to the number 2 setting. We're going to hit enter again, and we're going to go, we're going to go to number 6, which is reset, enter. We're going to up arrow to yes. We're going to hit enter, and now it's going to do a restart on it. And there we go. Showing we do have our panel power coming in at temp, our voltage, and our amps. So our solar is up and working at this time. Next, we're going to show you how to do a hard reset if this reset didn't work for you. To do a hard reset on the GoPower, what we're going to do is we want to take the trim ring off, and that'll just pop off. And that'll leave us 4 screws, usually Phillips or a square head, and we'll remove those. Just like that. We're going to kind of gently pull out our controller and our wiring. We should have enough to get it out where we can take a look at the back side. And here you have your main connections in. The bottom be coming from our batteries, the top be coming from our panel. So what we're going to do is just take our flat blade screwdriver, and we're just going to disconnect our power side and pull this, making sure not to touch the other wires, and we'll just let it set for a couple minutes. Now that we've let it set a couple minutes, we'll go ahead and reconnect our positive wire here. And we'll get that pushed back into place, just like such. And then we're going to hand tighten our set screw here, just like that. Pull a tug on it, we'll look, enter. We're already up and running. So that is a hard reset on a GoPower solar controller. Place our cover back on, back out, and there we are.
Thanks for watching. If this video didn't solve your problem, don't worry, we're here to help. Give us a call at 1-844-66-RVFix. We'll diagnose your issue quickly with a master technician on a video call, get any parts and warranty processed, and if needed, we'll coordinate a service center or mobile technician to get you fixed. We'll handle it all so you can get back to camping.